my cozy fireplace. And it's burned down quite a bit, so I'm gonna pop it out.
You wearing all those new shoes?
Let's see. Because I want to know what it is. Oh, that's right. Ooh, isn't that pretty?